Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the privacy guide or access privacy guide on your Chrome browser. All you have to do right now, click three dots at the top right of your screen and click on settings. Here under privacy and security, you can click it. There is a privacy guide. Review key privacy and security controls. And here we go. Take a guide tour of key privacy and security controls. For more options, go to the individual settings. So you can click next, and you can choose your search and browsing quality, make searches and browsing better. If you turn on or when this on, you'll browse faster because content is proactively loaded based on your current web page visit. From the address bar, you can open page info to see additional info about the page you're visiting. And if you also save your bookmark in your Google account, you can track product prices in Chrome and get notified when the price drops. And thing to consider, URL you visit are sent to Google to predict what site you might visit next, and to show you additional info about the page you are visiting. And if you also share Chrome user reports, those reports include the URLs you visit. So please, you can turn this on for make things better. Next, you can choose your safe browsing protection. I choose the standard one. So if you want to use the enhanced protection, there's things to consider. And if you click next again, choose your third-party cookies preferences. So you can choose block third-party cookies in incognito or block all third-party cookies. It's up to you. And review complete, and explore more settings below or finish now. So you can explore advertise privacy. You can choose the topics, and web and app activity. You can choose whether to include Chrome history for more personalized experience in Google services. Done. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.